Hey, Sam back here. Welcome to this video. Now I'm excited today to show you Spyvio. I hope you've had a good Christmas, by the way, and had a good time so far this holidays. What we're going to be doing is reviewing the software. It's called Spyvio today. You can get access to the software at a discount. It's the first time this has been released. And what this does is it allows you to spy on the top performing businesses online, basically selected by Spyvio themselves, that you'll be able to use to kind of discover new information about their campaigns, learn from their campaigns, and then implement what you learn for your clients or in your own business as well. It comes in it basically includes three different features and way of searching for different pieces of information. The first one is inbox, and this basically gives you access to the top email-based campaigns used by different marketers, different businesses and companies within these different niches. So internet marketing, you can see Anthony Haid here from HubSpot, Spotify, Blog, Kitty from Hubstaff, and you can actually search through these here and you can actually see the full email sequences that they use. So this is the starting point here. We can see this here. It has the this message here, this headline, and then if they have additional emails that are as part of this follow-up sequence, you can also view those as well. So basically this is capturing follow-up sequences for different businesses within this particular niche, and you can then jump into that sequence and you can see which emails they've captured. So in this particular sequence here, there's 66 emails that have been captured. So you can actually use these follow-up emails to learn how these companies are marketing, when they're sending these out, and you can pick up some interesting information and kind of get some interesting insight into what they are doing with their campaigns. We next have inbox. Actually, before I go into finish inbox, you've then got cold leads. You can then reach out to people if you want to. If you find a campaign here that you could help to improve, you can reach out to the people behind those email campaigns. These are the people that are behind those email campaigns. Now we've got ads. This ads feature here is basically similar to the other one. It collects data on the highest performing ads that are on Facebook right now that are compiled by Spyvio, and you can actually search through these lists of ads and you can discover information about these ads, how they're performing, what ads they're using, what images they're using, and so on. You'll be able to do that within this system right here. Then if we wanted to, we could search, say for example, video, and if there's any results, then we'll be able to search through and find those results. Now there's going to be more ads added to this. You'll have to see on the sales page how many there are, but that's kind of a short insight into that. It's also got YouTube ads as well, which have been compiled here, and you'll be able to view those ads which have been compiled here. Depending on your niche, you'll be able to get some insights from that information as well. You've next got funnels. Now, this is probably the most valuable part of the software. Well, the inbox is pretty handy, but this basically gives you access to different sales funnels that have been performing well in 2020. So you'll be able to dive into them. You'll be able to see the different pages without having to purchase the product yourself. And you'll be able to do some research based on this software here. You can basically just click on one of the pages you want to see. So, for example, this one, and then it'll pop up right here. And if it's able to grab it, then it'll show it here. And if it's unable to grab it, then you'll be able to view it in a new window like right here. So you can see this particular sales page here. You'll be able to learn from that, and you'll be able to use this for inspiration in doing your own or creating your own sales funnels. You can also find all of the different pages as well for that particular website listed here as well. And they'll actually show you the full breakdown of the entire funnel here as well. So that's effectively what the software does. You can then save the sequences you like. You can save the ads you like, the funnels you like. You can review those in future. And Spyvio will continue to be updated with even more emails, even more ads, and even more sales funnels that you'll be able to learn from as you go through this system as well. You can see here how many are available right now. There'll obviously be more added to this, and you'll see on the sales page how many have been added in total by the time you get access to this software. So that's what the software does. You'll be able to find out for yourself and have a think about whether this is going to be useful for you or not. If you do decide to get access, you can go down below and you'll see a number of bonuses you can qualify to get access to when you get access to Spyvio today. Awesome. Have a good new year. This is Sam Becker. Thanks for listening. I'll talk to you soon. See you later.